lenses what you are using currently?
I'm quite comfortable.
Okay, how long hours you will be wearing the contact
In
lenses?
10 to 11 hours.
Morning what time you will be putting lenses?
9 o'clock, around 9 o'clock.
Okay, and evening?
By 8:30, 9 o'clock.
Every day you are using contact lenses or how it is?
I'm using tiny disposable.
Okay, so
Only for
occasionally
occasion.
you are using. And have you noticed that those lenses are very comfortable even in evening or in afternoon also as they were in morning time?
Really?
What discomfort you felt by evening or afternoon?
From morning to evening, I not feel anything.
Mm-hmm.
By evening, I feel reddish in my eyes.
It will become very red or how it is?
Slightly
red.
Slightly.
Okay.
And I feel that there are lenses in my eyes.
You can feel them. In the morning, you will not feel that you are wearing the contact lenses. Evening, you
At that time, what I need to do, I need to blink my eye, then my vision will be clear.
Okay. Have you ever thought what could be the reason for your this discomfort and all? You need to pick the code?
No.
Okay. Have you ever thought what could be the reason for this?
Maybe dryness.
Because of dryness, you feel all this discomfort. But why this dryness happens? You know this contact lenses, they are made up of water actually. Almost 59% is water only these contact lenses. The other 49 is some polymer. Contact lenses are a combination of water and polymer. So this water content is getting evaporated. The dehydration is happening. That's why we feel the dryness.
Okay.
If water content is more and if we can prevent this dehydration, if we can prevent this evaporation, we can enhance the comfort also. Like,
Okay.
you will not feel all this problem, like you will not feel the lens in your eyes. You will be more comfortable with the contact lenses. The contact lenses should be comfortable. At the same time, that should be healthy also.
Okay.
Healthy in the sense, our eyes needs oxygen. It's getting oxygen from the atmosphere. So if you are putting a contact lens over our eyes, it should not block oxygen. It should provide sufficient oxygen what our eyes require. The hydrogel lenses, the one what we are using is a hydrogel lenses. They will allow oxygen, but there's a restriction.
Okay.
They will not provide the sufficient oxygen. So the wearing hours also it's lesser for those lenses. There are some other materials that is called silicone hydrogel lenses. In that silicone material that will allow sufficient oxygen for our eyes. We can use those lenses for longer hours. But because of that silicone material, the water content will be lesser in that lenses. I think I have given you a pair of silicone hydrogel lenses.
Last time I tried that.
You are not comfortable because initially you are feeling the lens in your eyes.
It will move.
You are not very comfortable. So now there is a new material called hypergel. This hypergel means the best features from the hydrogel lenses. The best feature of hydrogel lens is the high water content.
Okay.
High water content means high comfort. The high water content plus the best feature from the silicone hydrogel lenses, the more oxygen supply. Both it combined to this hypergel material, so that high water content and high oxygen supply.
Okay.
It will be more comfortable, it will be more healthy also, these lenses. These are from Bosch & Lomb actually.
It's not any Johnson.
It's from Bosch & Lomb. These lenses are called BioTrue one day lenses. These are also one day daily disposable lenses. These are having three unique properties actually. The first thing is the outer surface of these lenses is just designed to act like the lipid layer of our eye, tear film. Lipid means just like an oily layer. Our tear film also is having water. If it is just water, because of the sunlight, it just get evaporated. So there is an oily layer that will prevent the evaporation of this water from our teeth. The same type of a layer, it is there on this contact lenses also. So that will prevent the dehydration. That will prevent the evaporation. That means the water content, it will remain there. We will be more comfortable whole day. The second thing is the water content. It is high water content lenses. It's having 78% water. These lenses are having 78% water.
Okay.
It is just saying
What about in Johnson & Johnson?
that is 58%. In this water content is more. That means it will be more comfortable.
More comfortable.
And why this 78%? But this black color is called cornea. This cornea is also having water content. It is just same. It is also just same as 78%. So if we are putting the 78% water content contact lens in our eyes, it will be more comfortable.
Okay.
The initial comfort will be much. And the third property is it will allow sufficient oxygen for our eyes. And we will be having healthy white eyes.
Okay,
whole day.
that time I not feel
You will not
reddish.
feel this redness syndrome. Right? But I feel this hydrogel lenses that will eliminate all your problems what you are facing with the current lenses. So I will recommend you to go with these lenses.
Okay.
And I'll give you trial lenses, also a pair of
Just
trial
give me
lenses.
that trial
Sure,
because
sure.
I'm using Johnson & Johnson. I'm quite comfortable with it. Just give me the trial lenses. I'll
Sure.
try for 1 or 2 days.
I'll get one pair of trial lenses, 1 or 2 pairs of trial lenses for you. So just let me know how comfortable you feel. Okay? Thank you.